One loitering drone that has seen improvements is the Warmate with its origin from Poland. This drone has seen upgrades in payload, range, endurance and independent flying. As a Warmate 3.0 finds a Tor system at a few kilometers range, it starts to home in on the target. But the Tor actually spots the drone and tries to shoot it down, but the proximity fuse doesn't work correctly, either malfunctioning or having too bad of a signal of the low radar cross-section of the drone, and explodes too early to cause any damage, letting the Warmate to continue aim in on the Tor system, possibly giving too little reaction time for a second interception missile, leaving the Warmate to destroy the $25 million SAM system. Showing the range the drone can locate its target from, flying with jammed GPS signals and giving away such a low radar cross-section that Russia's SAM system has a hard time to shoot it down, resulting in another lost Tor, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.